Rain is not only drops of water, it's the love of the sky for the earth. They never meet each other but send love this way.
Hi all, welcome to Fun Facts and Reviews.
Rain has a great importance in our life because it is not possible to live without water. A rainy day spreads happiness and peace to the atmosphere. Don't you love the smell of rain? It smells fresh and clean. Nature is so rhythmic and romantic on a rainy day.
But when it rains heavily for many days, it's very difficult for us to live. It creates floods and makes a threat for all the living beings and properties. In today's video, we'll be discussing about rain and different types of clouds.
What is rain?
Rain is liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then became heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of the water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on Earth.
Everyone know what causes rain, right? Rain is droplets of water that falls from clouds. Heat from the sun turns moisture from plants and leaves, as well as oceans, lakes and rivers into water vapor, which disappears into air. This water rises, cools and changes into tiny water droplets which form clouds. The water droplets in the clouds join together to form bigger drops. When the water droplets get too large and heavy, they fall as rain.
Big heavy droplets falling to the ground are called rain and small droplets are called drizzle. When we see the dark clouds are approaching, it's likely to rain. They are dark because they are full of big water droplets that block out the light from the sun.
Do you know what are clouds? Cloud is a mass of minute water droplets or tiny crystals of ice formed by the condensation of the water vapor in free air at considerable elevations. As the clouds are formed at some height over the surface of the earth, they take various shapes.
According to their height, expanse, density and transparency or opaqueness, clouds are grouped under 4 types.
They are cirrus, cumulus, stratus and nimbus.
We know that not all clouds produce rain that strikes the ground. Some may produce rain or snow that evaporates before reaching ground, and most clouds produce no precipitation at all.
Do you know what is the meaning of precipitation? The process of continuous condensation in free air helps the condensed particles to grow in size. When the resistance of the air fails to hold them against the force of gravity, they fall onto the Earth's surface. So after the condensation of the water vapor, the release of moisture is known as precipitation. This may take place in liquid or solid form. The precipitation in the form of water is called rainfall. When the temperature is lower than 0 degrees Celsius, precipitation takes place in the form of fine flakes of snow and is called snowfall.
Nimbus clouds are the clouds that produce precipitation that reach the ground in the form of rain, snow or hail.
They form at middle levels or very near to the surface of the earth. It is formed at an altitude of 500 to 5500 meters. Nimbus clouds are black or dark grey. Nimbus clouds are shapeless masses of thick vapor.
Cirrus clouds are formed at high altitudes, that is 6000 to 12000 meters. They are thin and detached clouds having a feathery appearance. They are always white in color.
Cumulus clouds look like cotton wool. They are generally formed at a height of 4000 to 7000 meters. They exist in patches and can be seen scattered here and there. They have a flat base.
Next one, stratus clouds. These clouds form between 0 to 2000 meters. As their name implies, these are layered clouds covering large portions of the sky.
These clouds are generally formed either due to loss of heat or the mixing of air masses with different temperatures. A combination of these 4 basic types can give rise to the following types of clouds, which are high clouds, cirrus, cirrostratus, cirrocumulus; middle clouds, altostratus and altocumulus; low clouds, stratocumulus and nimbostratus; and clouds with extensive vertical development, which are cumulus and cumulonimbus.
Nature is full of wonders, isn't it? Rain and clouds are not the only wonders of nature.
There are many wonders in our beautiful nature such as waterfalls, volcanoes, northern lights and many more.
We'll be trying to include them in our upcoming videos. Now after watching this video, don't forget to go out and identify all the clouds around you.